to make sure that one doesn't rear end the other. So,
I got to get mine together. I started years ago and built Mount Rushmore and a fort and all kinds of. I got a train coming up with me.
oh, it's a great hobby.
Oh, it takes a lot of time though.
Well,
But it's fun.
that's what I do in the winter.
Yeah.
I don't like winter. I'm staying inside.
That's when I'm retired. Because I don't get back with it.
Hello, Mr. Brian. How are you?
About ready to collapse.
You've been busy out here.
Yeah. Are you